Oh my God. I think at this point I'm just speechless. So pretty.
You can watch me glow.
Welcome back to Jay in the City, where we are all about life, style, and inspiration. I'm Joshua Jure, and welcome to my city of Las Vegas. Yes, you guys, it is holiday time, and I am so excited to share with you guys everything we've been doing for the last couple of weeks. We have been doing some ultimate luxury shopping when it comes to jewelry, bags, couple of boots. You know we were there. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, let's not forget, DIOR gifted us with some beautiful gifts, so I would love to share them with you guys. Also, we're going to get into our New Year look, a little sneak peek on that, and a little sneak on how our Christmas went. So let's go ahead, and before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go on and do some box opening. Let's talk daytime boot. Now you know I'm a DIOR girl, and of course they have the best daytime boot. I have looked everywhere for the perfect boot. I mean, we did Prada, we did Louis, we did them all, but there wasn't a boot that just had this really nice look to it. So of course, I want to introduce you guys to, yes, the light. This is the Panache Quilted Boot by DIOR. So in love, you guys. Now, a little heavy, it is, but the fact that you can do it with your jeans, your sweats, your dress, I mean, we can be kicked back to pretty and cute. So I love it. I love the quilting. If you take a good look at it, the detailing and the quilting, and it's so loose in this area. So I don't feel so binded. You know how you get in the clothing, like, oh my God. So these, I don't get that. They have so much room to give all around the ankle. And if you see here, they have a nice wave in the back to give it a little edgy style too as well. So you get that like, that aristocratic, goth, pretty type look with it, and like I'm just so in love. I just cannot explain. I will go this. I probably go to this boot like all the time, anytime I can, because it just gives such a prettiness to the everyday look. So if you guys are looking for a daytime boot, okay, the Panache Quilted Black boot by Christian DIOR is insane. So in love. Oh, don't forget, oh, the zipper, you guys, look at this. So it's gonna zip down here. Take a look at that. Crazy, and super comfortable. You would think that because it is slightly heavy, that it would be kind of like difficult to walk in, but I love them, you guys. Comfortable, cute, yeah. So yes, in love. Thank you, DIOR. Love them. Okay, beautiful people. Can we really get into DIOR without getting into accessories? I think not. So let's check and see what we came up with. I swear DIOR does the best gift wrapping ever. I mean, you can never, it takes me about 5 minutes to open up whatever I get from there. Like, I love them. I do. Okay, so let's start out with, perfect. Socks, you guys. Yes, socks. I love socks. I don't know who else loves socks. I love socks. And if you watch the Dior runway, the socks, when they had paired the socks with the shoes that they had, I mean, they were just so cute. And I'm not gonna lie, it took me forever to get these socks, okay? I've been trying to get a pair of long Dior socks forever. Thank you, Jareen, of course, for coming through. And I finally got my socks to style with my boots, so I'll be able to put these together for you guys. I won't be able to do it in my next outfit, but I'm gonna show you guys. This is gonna be so cute. I don't know who else is a sock fiend, but me, a total must have. So let's talk about the detail in this sock. Insane. Look at you guys. Look at that. One of my favorite things about Dior, and really, I don't care if it's the sock, I don't care if it's a belt. I mean, the craftsmanship when it comes to Dior is insane. It's one of the reasons why I fell in love with them in the first place. The quality in the stitching is just beautiful. So now you know why I love Dior. But yes, I want you guys to see the sock. I mean, it is crazy. Yes. And let's get into some pretty things now. I'm gonna say, Dior, they know how to do pretty, right? So, let's see. I'm gonna show you guys this. Take a look at this. Oh my God, you guys. When I seen this, I was so in love. So this is a pearl beaded veil from Dior, you guys. I seen it on the runway and it was just insane. I mean, I don't even know if you guys can really see that. When I say in love, I'm in love. Like, so in love, you guys, that I think I'm gonna go put this outfit together for you guys right now. Give me 1 second.
And voila, just like that. We are pairing our favorite pieces from Dior. So we have our Knodge quilted Dior boots, and I paired it with my Alaya dress. I love this dress, you guys. Super thick and good for the winter. The detailing on it is insane. Love it. It's super comfortable. This dress can be done for brunch, lunch, shopping, just a day out. And if you're like me, just like to dress up. I'm pairing it with my beautiful pearl veil from Dior. It just brings such an elegance to the outfit. And can't forget about this triangle patent leather bag that I found at YSL, you guys. My guy Q was like, I have this bag in the back that I know you'll totally love. So you know I had to grab it. Super cute. It clasps right here. Yes. So convenient. Super little. Brings the edginess. And I love the shape. Hope you guys like it. Yes. We're getting comfortable and we're getting cute. So now let's get to unboxing our winter boots. Yes, friends, we brought the boots home. If you watched last episode, David from Christos called us in and the Jamila over the knee thigh-high boot is in. Yes, we tried it on, we loved it, and we brought it back with us. So let's get up close and personal with the runway boots from Burberry. All right, let's check it out. In love, of course. So,
This boot, you guys, is insanely soft. Take a look at these. Now let's talk sexy at its finest, you guys. We're talking about a stretchy, over the knee, soft leather, zipper up the back that conforms to the leg. It is like a stocking, really. And I'm gonna tell you, I have little legs, and to find a boot that is going to fit my legs snug and it's going to be seamless under my dress, this is it. And let's not forget to talk about the heel. This heel is insane. Now you're not seeing this heel. This is a wooden chocolate heel. Check the split down the back. Sick. Oh my God. When I seen this on the runway, I was like, how classic can your day get in a trench with this on? I mean, but you can not only do it with the jacket. I'm gonna spice it up for you guys later so you can really see. There's so many different classic ways that you can do this. And you're talking about a boot that's gonna last you forever, forever. I mean, you have to have that boot that, we're not just buying pieces. We are buying pieces that are gonna last a long time. We're talking about quality, we're talking about sustainability, we're talking about investment. So when we're talking about sexy, this is it. So yes, the Jamila over the knee boot, you guys, must have, yes. Okay, now that we have kicked it into gear with our favorite boot selections for winter, let's talk handbags for spring and timeless jewelry pieces. You know I'm excited. Your girl started her Lady Dior collection. Earlier this week, Jareen gave us a call. She had new selections in. We went over, checked them out. She also had the little rose jewelry collection at Dior. Insane. Can't wait to show you guys. So let's go ahead and go fall in love. Okay, so we are at Dior. I am looking for bags, you guys. Seen my favorite bag. I think I've seen one that I really like. I'm super excited. Oh, that's kind of cute. Look at this. Okay, looking at bags for baby girl. She loves Dior. So I'm just in a big debate on which one we should do. That's cute. That'll go with most of her stuff. Her favorite color, but Dad won't like that. He's gonna be like, no, definitely, because of the color, but she loves the color. We're gonna see what she thinks. Yes. Check out this jacket. This is hot. Look at this. Sick. So in love, you guys. Oh my God. The crocodile green lady Dior stop. Have I fell in love again? Yes. Yes, I have. The La Rose 18 karat gold earrings. Yes.
We can take your mask off. It says no justice.
How much are those, baby?
These ones are 22.
What? Okay, go ahead.
Wife is too pretty. Like, she looks really good. Like, actually, our stuff looks like it.
They're beautiful.
makes it
Oh my
better.
God.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Do the other one.
Crazy. It
Insane.
looks okay on, but when you
Oh
put
my
it on,
God.
I gave you
Chelsea
20. I gave you $2,700.
The La Rose 18 karat white gold ring. Sick. Oh my God, you guys, look at my gift from Dior. Yes, I'm so excited. Let's see what it is. Oh my God.
like super mean. She's like me. She's like, I'm like, give me a kiss. She's like, no. And I'm like, yeah, she's like, I love mommy this much, right? And I'm like, how much you love me? She'll be like, for real? Yeah, it's always the opposite.
Of course I like opening it up. Who doesn't like to open up gifts? Look how freaking pretty that is. Oh my God. Oh, it clicks. Oh, look at that. That is so neat. Thank you. They're so pretty. They'll never be lit. They're just gonna like stay pretty. I don't wanna mess it up. It smells really good. Oh my God, look at that.
Lily of the Valley. That might be the scent.
So pretty. Thank you. Thank you, Dior. I feel so special. Oh my goodness. I love you guys. Look at my babes. They're my babes. I love them. Yes. Next time on Jay in the City.